Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine the rich, sweet taste of homemade fig jam, crafted right in your own kitchen. You might think it's complicated, but with this simple method, you can whip up a batch of luscious jam in just over an hour, start to finish. This recipe truly transforms fresh figs into a vibrant, versatile spread that tastes incredible. It's perfect for breakfast on toast, a gourmet addition to a cheese board, or even a thoughtful, edible gift for friends and family. Creating this delicious fig jam requires surprisingly few ingredients, making it super accessible. Your star ingredient, of course, will be fresh, ripe figs. They are the heart of this recipe, so choose them carefully for optimal flavor and texture. Beyond the figs, you'll need just two more staples: granulated sugar, which helps preserve the fruit and sweeten the jam, and fresh lemon juice, which brightens the flavor and aids in setting the jam perfectly. That's it. Simple, right? Your jam-making journey begins with preparing your beautiful figs. First, give them a good wash under cool water, then gently pat them dry and trim off any tough stems. Next, roughly chop your cleaned figs into manageable, bite-sized pieces. This helps them break down evenly during cooking. Now, transfer all those chopped figs into a large, heavy-bottomed pot, add your granulated sugar and fresh lemon juice, then stir everything together to combine. With your ingredients combined, it's time to cook. Slowly bring your fig mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, making sure to stir it often to dissolve the sugar. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer and continue to cook, stirring frequently until the jam thickens to your desired consistency. To check for doneness, place a small dollop onto a chilled plate from the freezer. If it wrinkles when you push it, your jam is ready. Once your jam reaches perfection, it's time for storage. Carefully ladle the hot jam into pre-sterilized glass jars, ensuring you leave about a 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Seal the jars tightly with their lids, then let them cool completely on your counter. Your jam will keep well in the refrigerator for several weeks. Finally, the best part: enjoy your delicious homemade fig jam on warm toast, paired with savory cheeses, or as a delightful topping for your favorite desserts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.